ECOCIDE to be made the 5th crime against humanity during peacetime. How do you feel about that?
Talo Falava, warm Pacific greetings to you all. My name is Simon Matafai. I'm a firm believer that it is a crime. Ecocide is definitely a crime like genocide and every other crime. In fact, as a Samoan, we experience natural disasters that I know personally. 14 people from one family was taken away at one moment in 2009 back in Samoa. And can you imagine 14 people in your family? Can you imagine 14 of your mother, your father, your aunties, uncles, little sisters or brothers? Can you imagine that all wiped out at one time? We need to address this. We need to. It's a matter of urgency, but I think these world leaders think that they just want to come and travel and just experience other cultures through these talks, but there's enough talk. We need to walk. The science is clear, and I fully support Polly Higgins and the campaign that this ecocide needs to definitely be endorsed or ratified as a crime. Who is going to be accountable for the murder of these people, the millions of people who are dying every year because of climate-related issues? How about us in the Pacific? Climate refugees now. You never heard of such things many years ago, but now my people are traveling, trying to find places to migrate and to restart again. How about our cultures? How about my language? How about our identity as people? These things are also being targeted. It's not only ecocide, there's a social side. I don't know, all these aspects of our lives are being targeted right now. And if we do not act now, then when? And if not you, then who? So I fully support Polly Higgins as a Pacifica advocate, as a youth advocate. It's really important we address this now, not tomorrow, because tomorrow is too late. Thank you.
Absolutely fantastic. Thank you. That's really good. Thank you. That's the best one.